Okay guys, so I got paid $437 selling a particular product. Actually, this commission you are seeing right here was made selling just a single product, and you are going to get paid over $1,000 when you make a sale on this particular platform. So right now I'm going to probably refresh my screen here so that you see this is not actually something like screenshots. Okay, so let's just wait for this to load up. Okay, as you can see, $437. Okay, so if I come back to my PayPal here, you will see the same thing, $437. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this particular amount. So if you see this is the website I use. This is the affiliate dashboard. As you can see, as they have 1,311 as an affiliate commission. All right, so let's get into the video to see how to make this. Okay guys, so let's see how to start promoting or this particular product to make this amount. So here is the mail they sent to me the 1 hour ago. So as you can see, I get over to 50% commission. So they come down here, as you can see, in case you've forgotten, 50% commission on the wholesale formula enrollment is a minimum of $1,498.50. So this is what they are going to pay me whenever I make a sale. Okay, this is what they are going to pay me. So let's see how to join this particular platform. Okay, how to promote and how to make money with it. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, so the website is thewholesaleformula.com. So this is where you are going to come to understand everything about the product, because you need to understand what you are promoting before you literally start promoting the product. Okay, so this product is about Amazon, how to sell products on Amazon. Okay, how to sell wholesale products on Amazon. So that's what the product is all about. Make sure you go through the product so that you their sales page, or let's say this home page, so that you understand what the product is all about before promoting it, because it's very, very important you know what you are promoting. Okay, so you go to this particular website to pick the product, which is Munch Eye. Okay, so this Munch Eye is a website that people go there to list their products. Okay, people come here to list their products. So this particular product, they are going to start this year promotion by September 15. So let's check this mail again. Okay, they said opt-in for September 2023 promo, and this okay, so our next big launch begins September 15th. Okay, and you don't want to miss it. So this product they are going to start promoting this product on 15th of September. But if you start promoting it now, before then, you stand a chance of making a whole lot of money. Okay, you stand a chance of making a whole lot of money. So you can start generating leads. Okay, you can start collecting leads to your email autoresponder platform, something like system.io, ClickFunnels, Builderall, and the like. You can start collecting leads. Okay, so and to do that, what I actually want you to do is to enroll before then. So if you come to Munch Eye, so let's go back to Munch Eye, to their homepage. As you can see, this is Munch Eye. Okay, so since you know the name of the product, okay, which is the wholesale formula, so you can just come here, come up here. Okay, there is search button around here. Okay, so we have it here already. So we have it in their feature image, feature post. So click on learn more. So you are going to see it here. Okay, so once you are here, then click on this twfalumni.com/partner. So we want to partner with them. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this particular page. Okay, as you can see, they have paid over $1 billion to their affiliates. So what you need to do is to click here to become an affiliate. So once you click on here, it's going to take you to where you'll be able to sign up as an affiliate on this particular for this particular product. So I'm going to enter your details here. Okay, enter your details, and make sure whenever you are choosing your payment method, make sure it's you choose the one that will be comfortable for you, something like PayPal. Okay, so choose the one that will be comfortable for you. So I chose PayPal when I'm filling this particular form. So once you are done filling this form, it's going to create your account. So it's going to bring you um to this particular page right here. Okay, it's going to bring you to home here. So in your case, you are just signing up. It's going to be showing there will be some text here. There will be some text over here, around here, okay, that will welcome you and tell you more about the product. Okay, so what you need to do next is to come here to this resource pages. So this resource pages is where you are going to see what you to use to promote the product, which is very, very important. Okay, this particular section is very paramount to promoting this product. So if you click on get resources, you are going to see a lot of email swipes that you can use to promote this product to your audience. As you can see, this place also include logos, marketing pictures, promoting program screenshots, and testimonies. So these are the things you can use to promote the product. So if you come here to this banner, so you will see a lot of it will ask you which kind of banner you want and where are you driving the traffic from. Okay, so who is driving the traffic? This is my name, Joe Pillar. What are the driving traffic to? Oh, sorry, what are you driving traffic to? So you are going to come here and see exactly what you are driving the traffic to. So if it's their YouTube video, I'm going to click on here. Okay, so just the best thing is to drive traffic to either sales page or opt-in page. So it's better to choose something like this opt-in page. Okay, so what ad are you using to drive traffic? So come down here. Okay, as you can see, so why this is not showing is because they have not started the promotion of this year. Okay, and that will start by September 15. So once it's September 15, you are going to see a lot of images here that you can use to promote the product. So here they have email templates too. So this is not actually available now till they launch. So all you have here now is these resources. All these resources are the ones you have. So now I'm going to show you how I promote the product and how you can also do the same. Okay, what I did was to come here to Pinterest. So if you come here to Pinterest, you are going to see this. This is what I designed, okay, using Canva. And you can also do the same. So let me just zoom out a little bit, okay, so that you will see it clearly. As you can see, the wholesale formula, when you join this webinar led by one of the top online business trainers. So these are just what you are going to be to be posting. You are going to be posting something catchy, something special that people will want to check. Okay, as you can see, the wholesale formula, a fifth of professional Amazon merchants sell more than $1 million in a year. Okay, so you come down here, you have description. Okay, you have description. All right, so and you know there's a room for you adding link on Pinterest. So if you come here, if you check this particular blog, you will notice it's will direct to, oh, this is not available no more. This blog is, I've actually taken down this blog. So let's see, there's another link here. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it brings me to this particular place. That's because, and it's not showing anything, that's because they have not launched the product for this year. So what you need to do is to drive traffic to your opt-in page. Okay, you create an opt-in page, then you drive traffic to it. Okay, how can you do that? To do that, you come to a website like system.io. Is a very awesome website that you can use to create to generate to collect leads. So I'm going to just log into an account here. Okay, so I'm going to log into one of my accounts so that you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, so come here to funnel. Okay, so this is actually a free account, and I've used almost the free ones here. So let's just use this step. So you're going to give your funnel a name. So let's say TWF, the wholesale formula. So what do you want? You want opt-in. Okay, as you can see, opt-in. Opt-in. So where is it? So click on opt-in. Oh, it's not this particular one. This is opt-in thank you page. So let's go back to funnel settings. Sorry. So we are going to delete this. We need to delete this so we can remove. All right, I've removed this. So click on create step again. So TWF. All right, so come down here. Then what we want to create is a squeeze page. Okay, a squeeze page. So click on squeeze page and click on save. So it's going to show you a lot of squeeze page that you can use to generate leads. So what I actually like doing is giving freebie to people before you so that they will be willing to give you their details. Okay, so let's search for the one that is actually suitable for that. Okay, let's come down here. All right, guys, so this is an example of the template that we are going to use. Okay, so click on this, then it has created the template. So what you need to do next is to come here, click on edit page. So if you click on edit page, it's going to take you to this particular page where you are going to be able to edit the page. Okay, so as you can see, it has email sign up. So you are going to look for a specific thing to give out to people. Okay, so and if you go to, check through their resources here. Okay, let's go back. We check their resources here. As you can see, TYF affiliate info guides. So if you click on here or anywhere around all this, you are going to find something for free that you can give out to people for free, especially ebook. I think they have an ebook that you can give out to people for free. So you then come back here, come back to this place, then put the image of the ebook here, then say something like grab your free ebook here. Okay, let's just say grab your free ebook. Okay, so you come down here and type something like get this free ebook reveal how to make how Dan and Dylan made over $1 billion yearly on Amazon. Okay, selling Amazon products. So that's just it. So this will entice people and it will push them to enter their details to get this particular stuff here, to get this particular ebook. That, and once you are able to generate the lead, okay, then you are going to message them later, okay, when the product is launched. And before the product is launched, what you should do is to create email sequence, like to be sending them email about Amazon products, about this particular product. So that on 15th that they launch, you are going to send promotional email to them. Okay, so that it will not be as if you want to sell them out when you've started nurturing them. Once you started nurturing them as your email leads. All right, so that's just that about that. So if you want to go ahead and and then you need to generate traffic to this particular page. That's when Pinterest comes in. Okay, so you are going to be creating something like this, all these stuffs here. You're going to be creating all these testimony stuffs, all these things that you are saying here. Then you are going to add your affiliate link. So if you add your affiliate link, your page link here. So let's just click on save. If I save this and go back to this, so you have your link here. Okay, so here is your link. You can change this to TWF, then click on save. So once it's saved, then you copy the link, click on copy. Okay, then come here to create video, to create something like this. Okay, so you can do that by going to Canva. Okay, as you can see, I have actually created one here. Okay, so it's very simple to create something like this. It's very, 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 very simple. So just come here to Canva, come here to this particular page, to click on this link to bring you to this particular page. So to bring you to this place, then download all these testimonies that you can see here. These are testimonies, so download them. So once you've downloaded them, then you are going to go, then come back here and come back to Canva. Then you put them here, arrange them. So if you want something like this, come here to element, then type arrow. So once you type arrow, it's going to bring all this arrow here. So come here to graphics. So actually you don't need to pay Canva a dime before you can do all these stuffs. So as you can see, this is the arrow I used. So these are them, the arrows. So I brought out this particular shape, then add text to it. So then once you are done with that, then you click on download. Okay, so as you can see, what all the image that I put here, all the text on this particular image are something enticing. $1 billion business model. Okay, you will want to attend this kind of event. Okay, so that's just how I've been able to make that amount, and you can do it. You can do it, guys. You can do it. So if you actually find value in what I'm doing, please, I will urge you to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video to whoever you think might actually need it. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on the other side, where I will be making video on how to further promote this particular product. Okay, so I'm going to see you in another video. So have a nice day.